My entrepreneur name is Pudhraj. Industry name is Minachi Textile Industries. It's located in Andipiti, Theni district. Education is 10th pass out. Minachi Textile manufacturing the handloom sarees and powerloom sarees in Andipiti. It's established in 1996 with the ambition to deliver need of the customer recurring services in the manufacturing a sarees. He have three types of quality services and certifications in all our works. There is manufacturing series in the small scale industries. First of all, he will start with 5 handlooms and 2 powerlooms. Nowadays, he have 5 handlooms and 30 powerlooms in this family. Meenachi Textiles, his brother Kankar while supporting in the manufacturing cotton sarees, polycotton sarees and polyester fabric sarees. They have a good team of experienced engineer, supervisor, technicians and well-trained laborers. The professionals' work is religious to fearless services and customer certifications. Our vision is to create the better everyday life of my peoples. He product details. He weaving is the method of textiles product is which two distinct sets of yarn or threads are interlined to right angle to from the fabrics. They weave two warps and filling the threads interlined with each other is called weaves. Manufacturing process. He manufacturing of the company started to preparations and the weaving sections. The fabrics formations during the weaving. It is operation to consider the square crosses of two parallel thread systems to warps and webbed, which is going to through privileges, preparations and operation growth and successful. In these industries was commenced in 1996. He is founder and director of these industries. Meenachi Textile Industries is the primary entrepreneur was into the completed industrial business. It is the mostly coming under industries and manufacturing sector. His father was giving the idea to how to business will be started. He will start up with the industries with 5 lakhs investment, 4 handlooms and 2 power looms. On the target up to this third level in this Andipiti, he is a third leading saree manufacturer industries in Andipiti. The most virtual resources and all the activities of an organization that entail and carry out by the person who make up the industries. The successful of an organization generally dependent on the personal characteristics of this employee. The effective utilizes of the resources such as a machine, money and material in the organizations influenced by the personal character of the person. He is always their competitor only to develop the idea. They keep their his competitor as a high level and so also lower level competitor. They target is the higher level, so only they keep their competitor as the high end. They reach the goals. They keep is the very confidently. It is a short term and long term to achieve this goal. In the current situation, there are short time goals in the before COVID as usual turnover. They want to increase along with the team and their planning for next. They start up the business with 5 lakhs investment. Meenachi Textile target 1 crore per annum. They target to reach 1.5 crore in this year. The capital was used for this auditing purposes as per the government rule. Their lakhs which is their capital. The leaders should be coordinated all the members in one mindset and the work together with the guidance of the founder. The leader quality time management to coordinate all the event. We done two different to develop the power looms in all the state. Collaboration with the level 2 textiles industries. They selected the employees all around for from account sector, sales and service sector also. The manpower is one of the successful leadership. The employee quality I know more about all the sector like manufacturing, packing, marketing, service, account and system technology.